कर पाऊंगी इस रास्ते पे तो मैं अपने आप को खुशनसीब समझूंगी। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू कालिया सर, कालिया मैम, एंड थैंक यू पीयूष सर। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you. Now we have Lalit sir who would want to say a few words.
नमस्कार सर। सर आप सुन पा रहे हैं सर मुझे?
हाँ बिल्कुल, आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
नमस्कार सर, मेरा नाम ललित है, मैं पानीपत हरियाणा से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मैं और मेरी पूरी फैमिली ये सेशन देख रहे हैं और हम सब लोग आपके बहुत बहुत ऋणी हैं सर, और आपके बेटे के जिन्होंने इतना बड़ा बलिदान दिया देश के लिए। जय हिंद सर। जय हिंद।
Even Pratibha ma'am has something to say. Go ahead, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Kalia uncle, namaste. And Piyush Priya, hi. मैं यहाँ पे सभी present, all the aspirants and every youth whosoever is present here, I will only wish and I will rather suggest everyone, आप जरूर एक बार जीवन में सौरभ कालिया सर के घर पे, सौरभ कालिया सर के मंदिर में जरूर जाएं, वहाँ कालिया अंकल और आंटी से मिलें। आप इससे भी ज्यादा प्रेरित होंगे जब आप आंटी से मिलेंगे और आंटी से सुनेंगे कि वो किस तरह से मोटिवेट करती हैं। डिस्पाइट हैविंग such a great loss, she still has made pride overcome the pain, which we have personally felt. We were so lucky that we could reach the temple and we could feel everything, and we could feel Saurabh Kalia sir in that mandir, in that museum, what we say. I request everyone to do that, and we are really indebted to you all, and we should create awareness irrespective what they think, irrespective how people take your words. Some may take it positively, some may say acha theek hai, it's okay, no problem, it is their loss, not your loss. Your aim is to do what we are here for, to create awareness about the martyrs, to make everyone understand we are living their life. And one last thing, whenever we celebrate our birthdays or anyone's birthday in our family, please do remember all the martyrs and their kids who have missed their father on the birthday, and all those martyrs who could not celebrate many birthdays just because we could celebrate all the birthdays. This is my request to all. If we can do that, we have right to enjoy, we have all the rights to enjoy, but we can always think of them when we do our cake cuttings or anyone's cake cutting who's our friend or family. Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And surely, as soon as the lockdown ends and the situation is under control, I'm going to go. I've already told both of them, even Piyush sir, even Kalia sir, I've told, जैसे ही lockdown खत्म होगा मैं आ जाऊंगी. As soon as it gets in. Okay.
You're
now,
always welcome, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Piyush sir के यहाँ तो अभी हम गए नहीं, and we will be there. We will give a surprise, sir.
You all are
Yes,
welcome.
surely.
Welcome, sister.
I
Kalia,
would like to.
saying me that come. I'm promising I'll come as soon as the lockdown ends. Next day I'll be there.
I would like to add a sentence here. May I?
Sir, you need not ask.
All of you are welcome in this small town anytime convenient to you. Our house is. I can add to this that it is not our house. This is your home. Anytime when you feel convenient, all of you are welcome with open arms. This is standing invitation to all of you.
For sure, sir. Now we'll go ahead with the cake cutting ceremony, and then I believe MS Dikshit has a poetry, so we'll get done with the cake cutting and then listen to it.
जय हिंद, जय भारत.
So here's the cake. Let's start then. You can unmute yourself.
Savani, we can't see the cake. Where are you?
Is it not visible? Visible?
No, you are not in the frame.
Sir, I'm not in the frame because if I come, then cake wouldn't be visible.
No, the cake image is also not clear. Can you put your video on a spotlight?
Oh, yes, surely I'll do that. Now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct. Now we can see.
Right.
That's fine now.
Let's start then.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Captain Kalia.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday,
Kalia sir.
Happy birthday
To you.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्मज्ञान की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्मज्ञान की. तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना. तू है सुंदर फूल इस संसार की, तू है फूल इस संसार की. सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, ओहो ओहो सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की. तुझे मुबारक खुशियात्म ज्ञान की. जय गुरुदेव.
Thank you.
Very nice, very nice.
Wonderful.
केक सबको पसंद आया. अब मैं सबके हिस्से का खाऊं.
मेरे हिस्से का केक आपने खाना है.
सर ये a small token of हमारे Ms. Dixit, you have.
Yeah. Ma'am, if you allow me to display the screen.
Okay, I'll do it. Just send a request. I'm not seeing anything right now.
Here the host is disable participation screens here. Is here.
Oh, okay. Fine, I'll just leave.
Okay, thank you so much. Now it's.
Yes, good.
मातृभूमि का वीर सिपाही चला मृत्यु अभिनंदन करने को, चला कत्ल कर अभिलाषाएं अतीत जीवन की आशाएं. कालिक्षमय अग्निकुंड में प्रिय प्राण बलि करने को, मेघ उठे अग्नि बरसाने, शीतल जल भी लगा जलाने. उठी आंधी बुझने को थे अतीत जीवन के दीपक, किए रक्त बलि चला वीर वो दीपक बुझे जलाने को. मातृभूमि का वीर दुलारा चला मृत्यु अभिनंदन करने को. मातृभूमि का वीर सिपाही.
Sorry to interrupt, but is there an audio behind? Because if it is, we're not able to hear.
Oh, sorry for this. Just a minute. Yeah, okay.
मातृभूमि का वीर सिपाही।
Now sound is clear.
Yes, it is.
Oh, thank you.
चला मृत्यु अभिनंदन करने को, चला कत्ल कर अभिलाषाएं, अतीत जीवन की आशाएं। कालिक्षमय अग्निकुंड में प्रिय प्राण बलि करने को, मेघ उठे अग्नि बरसाने, शीतल जल भी लगा जलाने। उठी आंधी बुझने को थे अतीत जीवन के दीपक, किए रक्त बलि चला वीर वो दीपक बुझे जलाने को। मातृभूमि का वीर दुलारा चला मृत्यु अभिनंदन करने को। मातृभूमि का वीर सिपाही चला मृत्यु अभिनंदन करने को, चला कत्ल कर अभिलाषाएं, अतीत जीवन की आशाएं। कालिक्षमय अग्निकुंड में प्रिय प्राण बलि करने को, मेघ उठे अग्नि बरसाने, शीतल जल भी लगा जलाने। उठी आंधी बुझने को थे अतीत जीवन के दीपक, किए रक्त बलि चला वीर वो दीपक बुझे जलाने को। मातृभूमि का वीर दुलारा चला मृत्यु अभिनंदन करने को।
Thank you.
मातृभूमि का वीर सिपाही चला।
Amazing poem. It was really nice. Okay. Yes, Purab, if you have something, go ahead.
Oh, is it audible?
No, it is not audible.
Okay, let me sit. Now? Is it audible now?
No, it is not audible yet. If it is a YouTube link, you could just share it in the chat box and I'll again share it with Kali uncle so he can see it. Okay, thank you. It was...
Just sending the link.
Yeah, sure you can. Pratima, do you have something to say again?
Ma'am, can you play it?
Okay. I'll try.
You are muted.